How to join Etsy affiliate program. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join Etsy affiliate program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But before we proceed to its affiliate program, let's start first by knowing Etsy.com. So Etsy.com is an e-commerce platform that focuses on handmade, vintage, and unique factory manufactured items, in which it provides a marketplace where independent sellers, artisans, and crafters from around the world can sell their handmade products, vintage goods, and craft supplies directly to customers. And on Etsy, you can find a wide range of products, including handmade jewelry, clothing accessories, home decor, art, crafts, and many more, in which the platforms allows sellers to create their own online shops within Etsy Marketplace. And in joining to the affiliate program, you can scroll down to this page until you find the footer section. In which on the footer section, it will show you the options, including the shop, sell, about, and help option. And under the sell option, just proceed by clicking affiliate and creators. And you will be directed in this page. And from this page, it will show you how to sign up for the affiliate program, in which you can earn a commissions for every one-of-a-kind piece you discover and share when you sign up to become an Etsy affiliate or creator co-member. And below here to join to the affiliate program by clicking the Apply Now button. While if you scroll down below, it will show you the other info about the benefits of their affiliate program. And if you have other concerns or questions, you can scroll down until you find the frequently asked question, in which it will show you the question with the answer below. And now, to apply to Etsy affiliate program, just click the Apply button on the side of Join Affiliate Program. And in joining to the affiliate program, we're going to use the platform called Awin.com. And if you don't know this platform, Awin.com, formerly known as Affiliate Window, is a global affiliate marketing network which acts as an intermediary between advertisers or merchants and publishers or affiliates to facilitate affiliate marketing partnerships. Advertisers join Awin.com to promote their products or services through affiliate marketing. They set commission rates and provide promotional materials such as banners, test links, and product feeds. And in order to create an account or sign up in Awin.com, just proceed by clicking the sign up button, which is located on the top right corner, and you will be directed in this page. And all you need to do is to fill out the account setup, promotional type, promotional space, and verification. And below, you are required to fill out all of the required information. And after successfully creating an account in Awin, you can now proceed on this page and click the login button, which is located on the top right corner. And from here, all you need to do is to enter your email address and your password, and you will be directed in this dashboard, in which from here, it will show you the data, including your total earnings, the performance by region, monthly period comparison, your track commission, and the list of advertisers' performance today, or the list of new advertisers, in which you can apply to their affiliate program. And aside from that, you can also navigate the option on the top panel, such as the account option, the advertisers option, the toolbox, advanced, support, and reports option, in which under the account option, you will see here the profile, settings, users, and legal agreements. While under the advertisers option, you can see here the program that you can join to the affiliate program. While toolbox, it will help you in creating a tracker links that you will use in promoting the brand. But in those options, kindly proceed by clicking advertiser and join program. And from here, on the right side, it will show you the list of the company brands that you can apply in their affiliate program. While on the left side, you will see here the sector, regions, product feed, and other preferences that you can select. And to join to Etsy affiliate program, on a search bar of search advertisers, just enter the word Etsy and proceed by clicking the search button. And upon clicking on it, it will show you the results, in which on the right side, if you don't see the Etsy brand from your region, you can select the Etsy ROW or Etsy rest of the world. So kindly click on it to know more about info about Etsy ROW. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. And from here, it will show you the overview about Etsy ROW affiliate program, including the program eligibility, about Etsy seller, and the commission structure that they offer, in which standard publisher rate start at 4%. And you can also see the social media policy or the things that are allowed to do. And as you can see here, Etsy affiliate links are allowed via social channels as follows: content must be your own and not simply repurposed from Etsy.com. While in terms of payment, to guarantee you will receive the payment, please ensure that you have fully complete your payment details, including tax and payment, under the Account tab. And below here, you will see other details about this program, including the affiliate disclosure and the regions. While on the left side panel, it will show you additional information, including the summary or brief description of this program, the payment status, the average payment time, and many more. While under the document section, you will see here the guidelines that you must consider before applying to this program, and those guidelines including Etsy welcome guide and how to link your Etsy favorites. While under the terms section, it will show you the terms and conditions or agreement before applying to this program, specifically affiliate terms of use. Now under the performance section, it will show you the performance of this brand for the past months or years. And as you can see, it has 61.38 Awin index. And in order to apply to their affiliate program, on the left side panel, just click Join Program. And from here, it will show you the policy, including the terms and conditions that you need to read and understand before applying to their affiliate program. While in applying, you need to choose your promotion, in which you have the two options such as for content or other promotional type that you can add or edit. And below that, you are also required to enter a short message introducing yourself and outlining why you think you will competent the advertiser's publisher program or an extra details, before checking this box that indicate that you agree to the terms and condition, and proceed by clicking the Join button. And upon clicking the Join button, your application will automatically submitted, and all you need to do is to wait for the confirmation email that will be sent to your email address inbox. And if you are now eligible or accepted to their affiliate program, you need to create a tracker links that will be used in promoting the brand of Etsy. And you can do that under the toolbox and link builder, in which you can generate your own tracker links. While in terms of payment, your commission that you will receive will be sent by Etsy to your Awin.com. And just set up your payment details on Awin.com under the account and payment details. And from here, just fill out the tax details and your bank details in order to withdraw the commission that you earn on Etsy. So that is just how to join Etsy affiliate program. Thank you.